Hello everybody, welcome to Red Tool House. Today's video we're going to try to get our roll-up plastic sides on our hoop house done. So our plan is to take PVC pipe. This is an 1.5-inch PVC pipe, and we want to secure it to the bottom of the plastic. Whether it's, I'm still trying to figure out exactly how I'm going to do that, whether I tape it directly to the PVC or make like a pocket of the plastic where I bring it up and tape it. And the weight of the PVC pipe will obviously help hold it down some, but then also we're going to drive conduit into the ground on either corner. And if this PVC pipe is running the whole length and sticking proud, then we'll have holes drilled in it that we can drop it over that conduit. That allows us to roll it up, lock it in place by dropping it over and it not coming unwound, or leave it all the way to the bottom locked in there. We'll see if it works. If you're curious about what we're talking about with this entire project, here's a playlist you can check out. But we're going to try to put this together and see how it turns out. Play on my fingers. It burns, it burns. All right, well, if this isn't redneck engineering, I don't know what is. So the way it works, cat, get out of the way. The way it works is we've got our PVC there with a hole drilled in it. That's a 3/4-inch hole. Drove our 1/2-inch conduit, galvanized conduit, in the ground, obviously at a distance that made sense from the edge of the hoop house. And did the same, of course, down here on the other end. Blah, blah, blah. Obviously I hit a rock there, so my galvanized is a little bit of a gangster lane, so we'll, the PVC obviously brings it in. Oh, PVC on my face. But right here, you can see our PVC actually, or our distance, our span between the two vertical conduits, obviously got a little closer as you went down, so it's making this kick out a little bit. Okay, I'll put some pressure on that. So what we're going to need to do, of course, is just put a little, I can drive a stake in there, or just another piece of conduit, just a couple inches off the ground to kind of keep that locked in place. But because our joints are bending out. Well, they're bending out because there's pressure forced on the ends. So then when we need to roll it up, of course, we simply, it's at least a 2-man job, maybe a 3-man. But when we want to roll it up, of course, we just slide it up off of the conduit, roll it up to the desired height, and then slide it back down on, and it holds it wherever we want to. Yeah, so it'll allow us to put it in place wherever. So it actually works. What do you think, y'all? Is that pretty amazing that it actually works? Shocked me. Yeah, I'm shocked too. So we'll see. We're going to do the other side. Okay, so that should just drop down on there like that. Alright, I'll go back. Okay, let's lift it up and unroll it all the way down to the height that we want, or the drop that we want. About right there.
Okay.
Is your hole pointing up?
Yep.
All right, so just pick it up.
Collapsed in the middle, I can't get it.
Awesome. Okay, so we ended up hammering in another piece of 1/2-inch conduit right here that provides a guide. It keeps that from puckering out, and we did the same on the other, and that'll just keep the wind from getting under it. There's still a little bit of wind. My plastic's not as tight as I'd like it to be, so we may go back at some point and try to stretch that, or again push our outer ribs out further, which would make that tighter. We'll jump off that bridge when we get to it. But the next step obviously is to just add chickens, right, Kel?
I think so.
So we got to get our wood chips. So I'll start making evening runs back from the office. There's a place that offers free wood chips right past where I drive on my way home. So I'll take a change of clothes with me and toss the pitchfork in the back of the truck and bring wood chips home with us and be able to get some chickens moved in there. So, all right, take care, everybody.